Are you looking to lose weight in a healthy and sustainable way? Today, let's delve into the concept of healthy weight loss. It's crucial to understand that it isn't just about shedding pounds. It's about a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consistency. It's tempting to try quick fixes and fad diets, but they can often lead to adverse health effects. Instead, nourishing your body with the right foods and maintaining an active lifestyle are key. Remember, the key to healthy weight loss lies in the balance of diet, exercise, and consistent efforts. A healthy diet is one of the cornerstones of sustainable weight loss. That's not just a catchy phrase, but a proven fact. When we talk about a healthy diet, we're not talking about starving yourself or skipping meals. Instead, we're talking about a balanced diet that includes all food groups: fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and yes, even fats. Yes, you heard that right, fats. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados and nuts, are essential for our bodies to function properly. But it's not just about what you eat, it's also about how much you eat. Portion control is key. Eating the right amount of the right foods is crucial to weight loss. And let's not forget about mindful eating. Paying attention to what you're eating, when you're eating, and why you're eating can make a big difference. A balanced diet nourishes your body, fuels your workouts, and supports your weight loss journey. Let's not forget the role of exercise in weight loss. Now, when we talk about exercise, we're not suggesting you need to run a marathon or lift heavy weights. Simple exercises such as walking, swimming, and light jogging can do wonders for your health and weight loss goals. Walking, for instance, is a low-impact exercise that can easily be incorporated into your daily routine. Whether it's a brisk walk in the park or just around the block, every step counts towards burning those extra calories. Swimming, on the other hand, is a full-body workout that helps to tone your muscles while also providing cardiovascular benefits. And let's not forget light jogging. It's a fantastic way to get your heart rate up and boost your metabolism. These exercises are not just about losing weight. They're about enhancing your overall health, improving your heart function, and boosting your mood. Exercise not only helps you lose weight, but also keeps you fit, active, and healthy. Consistency is often the missing piece in the weight loss puzzle. It's not just about the occasional salad or a single marathon run. The real magic happens when you consistently make healthy choices and incorporate regular exercise into your daily routine. It's about the daily commitment to choose nutrient-rich foods and the discipline to lace up those sneakers and hit the pavement, even when you don't feel like it. It's about creating a new normal for your body, one that it can depend on for its energy and vitality. By making these practices a regular part of your life, you set yourself up for long-term success. Consistency in your efforts can make the difference between temporary and permanent weight loss. Health is directly linked to what we eat, how much we move, and how consistent we are in these practices. As we've discussed, shedding those extra pounds is more than a one-time commitment. It's a lifestyle change that requires patience, persistence, and a healthy dose of self-love. Whether it's incorporating more nutritious foods into your diet, or embracing simple exercises such as walking, swimming, or light jogging, every small step contributes to the larger journey of weight loss. Remember, consistency is your best friend in this journey. It's not about perfection, but progress. For more detailed information, check out the full article on our website. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips.